Question number 1. Lathe bed is usually made up of answer cast iron. Question number 2. Which of the following should be more to reduce wear of a tool? Answer hardness property. Question number 3. The number of element on tool signature of American Standard Association system are answer 7. Question number 4. In metal cutting operation, maximum heat is generated in answer shear zone. Question number 5. In metal cutting, use of low feed and high cutting speed is desired when the objective is answer surface finish. Question number 6. The tool life is affected by answer all of these: depth of cut, cutting speed and feed. Question number 7. In cutting tools, crater wear develops at answer rack surface. Question number 8. Oblique cutting system is also known as answer 3-dimensional cutting system. Question number 9. Crater wear of a cutting tool is due to answer abrasive action of the chip. Question number 10. The primary tool force is used in calculating the total power consumption in machining is answer tangential force. Thanks for watching. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க.